Welcome to our video to introduce our acquisition report. Today, we'll explore how to use this report to answer two critical questions: where your traffic and customers come from, and how effective different sources are at acquiring customers and generating revenue. Let's start with the source of your traffic and customers. First, we have traffic sources, which indicate the origin of visitors to your store website during a specific period. This includes channels like Google, Meta, TikTok, and direct visits. Understanding which channels are bringing in traffic is crucial for targeting your marketing efforts effectively. Next, we distinguish between paid and organic traffic. This metric helps you understand the nature of your traffic by indicating whether you need to pay to acquire this traffic or not. Sessions represent the number of visits to your store website during a specific period. This metric helps you understand user engagement and visit behavior. Conversions are the number of orders your users placed during a specific period. Your website user becomes a customer when they place an order. This metric helps you understand the conversion effectiveness of different traffic sources. Now let's dive into the second question: how effective different sources are at acquiring customers and generating revenue. For acquisition efficiency from organic traffic, we look at the conversion rate, which indicates the percentage of visitors who convert into customers. We also examine the total revenue generated by customers from organic traffic sources, helping you assess the profitability of these sources. For acquisition efficiency from paid traffic, we provide additional metrics such as market spend, which indicates the total amount spent on advertising platforms. CPC, or cost per click, shows the cost of each click on your ads, helping you evaluate the cost efficiency of ad clicks. CAC, or customer acquisition cost, shows the average cost to acquire a customer, and ROAS, or return on advertising spend, indicates the revenue earned for every dollar spent on advertising to help you evaluate the short-term return on investment from advertising. We also look at LTV/CAC, which is the ratio of customer lifetime value to customer acquisition cost, helping you understand the long-term value generated per dollar spent on acquiring customers. Based on these insights, here are some key recommendations for optimizing your marketing strategy. First, focus on high ROAS sources. Allocate more budget to sources with high ROAS, as this indicates a high return on ad spend, suggesting these channels are more effective for advertising investment. Second, improve underperforming channels. Investigate channels with low conversion rates and high CAC and strategize to improve these metrics. Optimizing them can enhance their effectiveness and cost efficiency. Third, invest in organic traffic strategies such as SEO and content marketing to improve conversion rates and generate long-term revenue without ongoing ad spend. Enhancing organic acquisition can provide a steady stream of customers at a lower cost over time. Finally, diversify your traffic sources. Ensure a balanced approach to avoid over-reliance on a single source, mitigating risks associated with changes in platform algorithms or policies. Diversifying traffic sources reduces dependency on a single channel, lowering the risk from algorithm or policy changes. By focusing on these categories, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of how effectively your marketing efforts are converting visitors into customers, the costs associated with these efforts, and the overall return on your marketing investments. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you make more informed marketing decisions.